Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide video. This is Badger, who is basically Wolverine but a different colour to avoid copyright. He was primed in German Panzer Grey and I start off with metallic gemstone. I figured since I have all these coloured metallics, I can actually make his armour look metal without just being red. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can vote on video ideas or share anything you have been hobbying on. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come hang out and chat. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is Darkstone for all of the non-metallic clothing, which is basically just his bottoms. I then grabbed Sunny Skin Tone for all of that exposed flesh. For the extra long sideburns he has, I used black grey. Those feathers on the helmet needed a little bit of love to pop out, so I used skeleton bone on them. Next up is the other main metallic. This is Royal Purple. This is just bringing out some of the detail and helping to separate all of that red. Considering how dark my non-metallic Royal Purple comes out, I did expect this to come out a lot darker than it does, but it still does a good enough job of breaking things up. To get the blades to pop, I gave them a once over with shining silver. Now onto the washes. I start off with flesh wash for his skin and the bottoms. Onto the main wash, I used a slightly watered down dark tone to go all over that armor and the feathers. To finish up, I gave the base a once over with black just to tidy it up. And that will be it for Badger. He's a lot of metallics, but the wash being thinned down hasn't entirely killed that shine that you would normally get. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share what you've been hobbying on and vote on video ideas. As always, there will be photos of this guy on my Instagram and Ko-fi page. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, my Ko-fi page has a one-off tip option where you can go towards helping me buy some new equipment and just improve the quality of the videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.